In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fade out audio in Adobe Express. A clean fade out is one of the simplest ways to make your projects sound polished. It softens the ending of a music bed, voiceover, or sound effect so it doesn't stop abruptly, and it helps transitions feel intentional rather than jarring. Let's walk through how to do this clearly and confidently in Adobe Express. Start by opening your existing project. This can be a design or a video project. The process is the same. Make sure the project you open is the one that already has audio included, or is the one where you're planning to add audio. This keeps everything you need on the timeline and ready to adjust. If you haven't added audio yet, head to the Media menu and choose Audio. Here, you can upload your own file, like a music track or a recorded narration. You can also browse the available sound effects and stock options if you want something quick and ready to use. Once you add the audio, you'll see it appear as a green track in the timeline. That green bar is your audio clip, and it's what you'll work with to control how the sound ends. Click the audio track to select it so the audio controls become available. With the audio selected, look to the audio settings or panel and find the fade-out control. In Adobe Express, this is typically labeled clearly as fade out. Depending on your layout, it may appear as a switch, a button, or a slider within the audio options. If you don't see it at first glance, make sure the audio track is highlighted. The controls usually show up only when the clip is selected. Now, adjust the fade out duration using the slider. This sets how many seconds the audio takes to go from its current volume down to silence. Shorter fades are snappy and work well for quick logos or brief effects. Longer fades feel more cinematic and are great for music under a montage or the end of a tutorial. Aim for a duration that matches the pace of your project. If your music is energetic, a shorter fade can keep the momentum. If it's more relaxed, a longer fade can feel smoother. As you adjust, you'll notice the end of the waveform gently tapering, which indicates a gradual volume drop rather than a sudden cut. That's all there is to it. Open your project, add or select your audio, apply the fade out, and fine-tune the duration. With these steps, your endings will sound professional, cohesive, and intentional.